Yes, good morning. Hello friends, how are you? Fine, very good. Okay, let's start. In last period we have learned exercise 1.2, example number 1 to 4. Now we are going to learn from the example number 5. See the fifth one. Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, each only once. Which are the digits given over here? 6, 2, 7, 4 and 3. We have to find out the difference between the largest number becomes from it and smallest number becomes. Now see, first of all we make a big and small number, largest number and smallest number. Right? Now see, how to make a largest number already we have discussed before it, right? So which is the highest digits from the given? 7. Next one 6. Then after 4, 3, 2. So 76,432 becomes the largest number from the given digits. As it is, now we have to make the smallest. So we have to move from the small digits. 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7 are the digits by which we get the smallest number. So which is the smallest number? 23,467. Now we have to find out the difference. Let's see, 76,432 minus 23,467. Let's subtract. Now 2 minus 7 cannot possible, so we have to borrow from the 3. So what's remain over here? Sorry, 2. Here we get 10. So 10 plus 2, 12. So 12 minus 7, 5. Now 2 minus 6 is again not possible. So we should borrow from 4. So what's remain over here? 3. And here we get 12. So 12 minus 6, 6. 3 minus 4 again cannot possible. So we must borrow from 6. What's remain over here? 5. And here we get 13. So 13 minus 4, what will get? 9. Right? Now 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. So we can say what's the difference between them? 52,965. So we can say the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number can be 52,965. So all of you understood? Sure? Okay. Let's go for next. 6. A machine on average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? How many screws manufactured in a day? 2,825. 2,825 per day. Right? Now, in January month. So, how many days are in January month? Anybody can say how many? 31 days. Is it clear? So 2,825 multiply 31. So we get answer, right? Or the given. So can you do yourself? Sure? Okay. Very good. So please do it. Example number 6 by doing a multiplication yourself. Now next, 7th, a merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1,200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? How much rupees merchant had? 78,592. 78,592 rupees, right? The amount merchant having with him. Then after She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets. How many radio sets? 40 radio sets, right? It cost how much rupees? Each 1200 rupees. So 40 multiply 1200, right? Sure. We have to do what? Multiplication. Here we will use a simple trick. Just ignore a zero before doing multiplication. 12 for the right, we all are knowing well. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. And now how many zero we have to add in it? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So how much rupees? 48,000 rupees spent for 40 radio sets. Right? Now what we have to find out? How much amount is remained with her after the purchase. So what should we do? Subtraction. Right? Sure. Good. So like we should do it subtraction. Whatever we get, suppose 2 minus 0, 2, 9 minus 0, 9, 5 minus 0, 5, 8 minus 8, 0, and 7 minus 4. So what's remaining? 3. So 30,590 rupees remain with her at the end of the deal. Got it? So first of all, what we have to do? Multiplication, and then after do the subtraction. So we come to know how much amount is remain with her. So now let's go for example number 8. A student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Hint: do you need to do both the multiplications? Yes, definitely. Numbers are big, so we have to multiply with the both, so we get difference. See what mistake is done by the students over here. He multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. So let's see. First of all, you have to multiply with 65 and same number you have to multiply it with 56. Then after whatever product you will get, definitely we get a big number by multiplying 65, and by 56 we get a smaller number, right? So bigger, a smaller number you have to subtract from the bigger number, so we get difference between it. Understood? So all of you understood how to do? Okay, good. So like this way, please do it. Example number 8. Now we'll go for 9. We'll explain you 9, 10, 11 and 12 how to do. So please try to do yourself. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? See here, we'll explain you what is the total cloth we have. 40 meter. How many? 40 meter cloth piece, right? Out of them, to make a one shirt, 2 meter. And how many centimeter? 15 centimeter, right, is required. So we can say 2 meter means how many centimeter? 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter, right? So 2 meter is equal to 2 multiply 100. So we can say 200 centimeter. So from it we can say 215 centimeter cloth is required to make a one shirt, right? So one shirt, 215 centimeter is equal to one shirt. Therefore, it is given in meters. Okay, so 40 meter. So first of all, we convert into centimeter. 40 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 40 meter is equal to 40 multiply 100 is equal to 4000 centimeters. So like this, first of all, we have to make equal units. Is equal to 4000 multiply 1 upon 150. Just do the division. Perform division. 215 ones are 215, 215 twos are 400, so ones are now 5, 0 minus 5 is not possible, so we have to borrow from the here, so here is nothing, so 9, what we get 3, 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 1, 8, 3 minus 2, 1, so 1850, right? 0 we have to carry from here. Now 215 ones are 215, 215 twos are, so like this way we have to multiply. I think so. We'll try with different, like one after one. 215 multiply suppose 6, no, 215 multiply, maybe we'll try 8, 215 multiply, let's try with 8, 8 5s are 40, 0, 4, 8 1s are 8 plus 4, 12, so 1, 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17, 215 8s are 1720, 0, 0, 5 minus 2, so 3, 8 minus 7, so 1, 0. So we can say, I think 18 sets are prepared and 130 centimeter cloth is remaining. So all of you understood? To solve this sum, first of all, what to do? We have to make both centimeter into meter, yeah, meter into centimeter, and then after try to solve it. Got it? Now next example. Now see, tent medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kilogram 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kilogram? If we observe over here, see the weight of packing is given 4 kilogram 500 gram. And the capacity is given 800 kilogram. So first of all, what we have to do? Kilogram, either we have to convert into gram, yeah, gram we have to convert into kilogram, right? So first of all, we have to make equal unit of the boat, right? And then after solid. Suppose each one box 4 kilograms, so we can say 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So 4 kilogram is equal to 4000 grams. So total weight of the one box is 4500 gram. Now 800 kilogram, so what we will get? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, so 800 kilogram is equal to how much? Just find out and try to solve it. Got it? Now next, example number 11. The distance between the school and a student's house is 1 kilogram 875 meter. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. What's the distance between the school and a student's house? 1 kilometer and 875 meter, right? So every day she comes from home to school and going from school to home. So every day what total distance she covered? 1 kilometer and 875 meter. It's a one-way distance, right? As it is same way, it's covered the same distance at evening also. So 1 kilometer and 875 meter. So 1.875 plus 1.875 5, right? So 5, 5, 10, 1, 7, 7, 14 plus 1, 15, so 1, 8, 8, 16 plus 1, 17, right? So 1, 1, 2, 3. So we can say every day C is covering how many kilometer distance? 3.750 kilometer, right? So like this way, how many days C is already coming in the school? For how many days you are coming? 6 days. So same way C is also coming for how many days? 6 days. So 3.750 multiply 6 you will do. So whatever product you will get, I think so C is covering that much distance within 6 days. Got it? So like this way you have to solve example number 11. Now go for 12. A vessel has 4 liters and 500 milliliter of curd. In how many glasses, each of 25 ml capacity, can it be filled? So here also the capacity of the vessels is given 4 liters and 500 ml. So liter we have to convert into ml. So 1 liter is equal to how many ml? 1000 ml. So 4 liter is equal to 4000 ml. So what is the total curd? 4 liters and 500 ml. So we can say 4500 ml. In how many glasses? Each of 25 ml capacity. So we can say 25 ml is equal to 1 glass. Therefore total is how much? 4500 ml is equal to how many glasses, right? So 4500 multiply 1 upon 25. Just perform a division, you will get your answer. So all of you understood how to solve the different sums? Sure. So please complete the whole exercise in your notebook, right? And next next topic about the estimation and round off the numbers with 10, 100 and 1000 we'll discuss in next period. Okay, bye.